Hi, welcome again in the CRM portal. So here we will know about the CRM and its feature, how we are going to manage the CRM. We will see here and we will see a lot of things. So this is the login page of the CRM. Once we have enter the EID password, we can see the contacts. This is a simple dashboard where you can manage the data or you can see the data here. So if we talk about the CRM, you can see total message sent 31, message received is 9, count says 52, and agents are 0. So I will start from the bottom of the menu so we can understand what things we can do in this ARM. This is the setting page where you can change your icon here. You can change the name and email ID and phone number. You can invite your team member, you can add your team member, you can add any employee here. And we have a role, one is manager, one is agent can only chat, add, converse, and do conversation with the customers. Agent will be able to see their only own data which has been assigned by the manager or the organi- team owner. This is the basically your organization details, so you can enter the your name, you can enter your category, industry, and everything here. Once you've done these things, you come to the gallery part. Here you can upload the images or the PDF file as per your need. So in the gallery part there are options to view the files in the tabular form or the grid form. It's up to you how you want to see. If you click on the grid, you will be able to see in the grid form. If you click on the table, it will be in the table form. So it's up to you how you are going to see. In the top right corner, this is the icon basically where you can see your email address and the settings options here. When you come to the manage, in the manage you can see three things. Number one is the template, tags, and the column. So the difference between template, tag, and column, I will tell you here only. In the templates, if you connect your WhatsApp official API with our CRM, you will be able to see your WhatsApp ID, phone number ID, and the status of your. If you click on this part, you can see the templates as well, what was the applied and what is pending. This tag basically works in a different way. If you want to add a tag, means whenever a contact is created or whenever a lead is created, you can tag the contact, like the contact is very important, serious, or in any different way according to your need. And this is the column part. Basically this column helps you to identify the email, not the email but the CRM columns, where you can add dynamic columns as per your need. So right now it is here it is email and status. In the similar way, you can click in the plus icon and you can create different columns. So if I want to create a like option, a status, or if I want to create an option like services interested for, so then I will write here services looking for, and I can choose the options, either the text or the select. Any one of the options you have to choose. If I'm going to choose the select option, I can click on select and I will write all the options which I need here. Like example, I am going to write, if suppose I'm selling 2 3 services like online services, offline services, then I write online, then I will click on the plus icon, then I will click on the offline, and I will click on the plus icon. Once it is done, you have to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see the data, the column is visible here. So in this way you can add the column, and if you want to delete it, simply go and delete it. Or if you want to add more option in that, you can easily click on edit and you can add more options. So this is the basic features from where you can add the multiple columns, and these columns will be visible in the contact section where we are going to manage our leads. Then it comes to the integration part. Here you can connect your WhatsApp, you can connect your Facebook leads, you can do the custom integrations. It is very easy. Simply click on configure and do as per the pages it is showing, and you have to select the number, select the Facebook account, everything, click next, and once you have done the next, it will automatically sync your Facebook lead to the CRM. And after that you will be able to get the all the leads in the future which comes to that particular page automatically in the CRM, and you can see in the contact section. Now we are going to the contact section. Here is the contact section where we are going to know about the CRM data. So these are the data where we can know and we can see here, and we can even understand the data which has came from the system or which we have done from the manual integrations. So this is the data which you can enter here. It's very simple. See, right now I have added a column by the name of services interested for, services looking for. So you can see the column is here. If I click on this number, and after clicking on this number, I can see the tag also. Tag is here. You can just simply tag the option if you want. You can assign to the data if you wish to assign, Or if you want to edit any information, click on edit information. You can edit here, enter the email addresses, a status, and here you can see this service looking for online, offline. In this way, it can easily manage the data as per your need. Once it is done, simply click on save. After that, if you want to create any reminder, you can go to the reminder section and you can click on the plus, and you can write the reminder date, name, and the message, because this will work in the case of a follow-up. If any customer wants to call them back in the next 2 hours, you can create the follow-up here so that you can see the reminder here. You can write the notes here. Once you create the follow-up, you will be able to see all the activity under this section, and this section will show you all the activities which has been done for this contact option. So in this way, you can add the contact, manage the contacts. Here is the one more important feature, that is called filter. So if you click on the filter part, you can filter by the name, by the creation date, reminder date, select source wise. If you want to create, you can search by the user wise. You can search by the column name which we have written right now, like services looking for. In this way, simply choose the operator contains, not contains, equal, not equal, then the value, then apply. You will be able to see the data. Let me show you example here. If I write here services looking for and I choose the contains and it is like online, click on apply, then the data which is under the apply section will be visible. It is not visible because there is no data under that. So we will change this online to offline, and we will remove this one, and we will search again. So you can say still there is no data, so we will click on reset option, and we can just go and we can just simply change the services looking for offline and click on save. And then we go to the filter option, and here we will select the services looking for contains and offline. So in this way, we can create the filtrations and we can see the data which we want to, on which we want to work. So if you want to send or if you want to broadcast messages, you can do from here also. Simply do the filtrations, select the data, select the broadcast page, broadcast icon here in the top corner, top here, top. This is the broadcast option. Click here, enter the campaign name test, and test CRM, and choose the phone number from which the message you want to send. Click on the message template and click on broadcast. Automatically, the message will be sent to the recipient in some time, and recipient will be getting the message over the phone, over the WhatsApp. So from here only, you can select the contacts and you can select all the contacts. You can select contacts according to your need and you can broadcast it. If you want to assign data to any customer, any of your agent, simply select the data and click on this assign button. So right now we don't have any user, so we won't be able to see multiple users here. For that, you need to go to the settings section, and under that you have to add the employees or the agent who will be managing the leads. And the same campaign can be the message which we have sent right now can be visible in the campaign section. And in the campaign section, you can see that it is completed, delivered to one number, and total count was 1. So it has been sent to the one number. You can easily see the data from the campaign section. So in this way, you can manage the leads very effectively and seamlessly, and it's very easy to manage. If you want, you can manage, you can import the leads from Excel, you can add manually, you can import from the custom API, you can connect your leads with the Facebook integrations, Facebook ads, or the Instagram ads. Or even if you have a custom integration requirement, we are here to help you, and we will help you how to integrate from any portal to the CRM, so that you can easily manage your leads in the panel. So if you have any queries regarding the lead management or lead integrations, you can ask again, or you can ask with our support team. They will be helping you help you to assist this further.